So in this problem, we're given that AB is perpendicular to BC. So this side is perpendicular to BC, so that's 90 degrees, which means if this angle is x, this would be 90 minus x. Now we're told that AB is equal to AD, so that side is equal to AD. You have to be careful. We're not told that this is equal to that. That's probably a common mistake. So AB is equal to AD, which means this angle is equal to that. Since that's x, this is x degrees. And the goal is here to relate y to x. So if you look at this triangle, we have this angle in terms of x, that's y. And I can also relate this angle in terms of x. This would be 180 minus x. And the sum of these three angles has to be 180. So 180 minus x plus 90 minus x plus y is equal to 180. So that's the equation that will give us the relationship between y and x. We take out the 180 and then collect the x terms here. So this becomes 90 minus 2x plus y equal to 0. And then I will isolate y, moving these terms over. So the sign would change. This becomes 2x minus 90. And that's y in terms of x, which is answer choice B. Now here at this stage, we could also have done a slight shortcut here. This is the external angle for that triangle. So we could also say x is equal to that plus this. So 90 minus x, the sum of the opposite internal angles. And then if we add x to both sides, it becomes 2x is 90 plus y. And then y becomes 2x minus 90. So we get the same answer. Now we could also do this problem by using examples or numbers, and I'll show you that in the next example here. So the key is to select a value for x that is a little bit different meaning. I'm going to use 60 or 45 because sometimes more than one of these answer choices will give you the same outcome. So for example, I'm going to pick x to be 70. So that angle is 70. Since we know that this is 90 degrees, that becomes 20. And this angle is 70 as well, because we're told that AB is equal to AD. So therefore, this angle would be 110. And 110 plus 20 is 130, which means y would be 180 minus 130, because all three have to add up to 180. So y is 50. So we have a case where we chose x to be 70, and we obtained y to be 50. And to narrow the answer choices, I have to replace x is 70 in all of these and find the one that gives me 50. So first one here, 70 minus 90 minus 20. This would be 2 times 70 minus 90, which is 140 minus 90. And we know that this is the correct answer, and we do indeed get 50. And then I would say when you're using examples, just make sure you compute all of them. Sometimes more than one choice could give you the correct answer. 90 minus 270, that would not work out, and then this would be 35. So the only one that matches is answer choice B. So you can take either approach using examples or doing it straight algebra, and to recap, the answer is B.